Hello students, I'm going to show you how to round to the nearest thousand. So let's start with the first one. We're going to round 2,582 to the nearest thousands place. So we need to first find the thousands the number is between and place them on the number line. Since it's 2,582, it's going to be between 2,000 and 3,000. Now we'll go on to number 2. Type the number that is exactly halfway between these thousands. So think, okay, what is half of 1,000? It's going to end with 500. So it's going to be 2,500. Now the third thing that we're going to do is put the number on the number line. So 2,582. Let's think about what each of these tick marks is counting by. Each one's counting by 100. So if I'm looking at 2,500, I know the next one is 2,600. So 2,582 will be between there, but it's going to be closer to 2,600, just by a little bit. Now I need to think about which thousand this number is closer to. And it's closer to 3,000. That means that 2,582 rounds to 3,000. Let's look at how to round a 5-digit number to the nearest thousand. So, what thousands will this be between? Well, think about what digit is in the thousands place. It's a 7, so it's going to be between 37,000 and 38,000. What's halfway in between those two? It's going to end in 500. That'll be a pattern that you see when you're doing these slides. It's 37,500. Now let's think about where this number would go. So each of these counts by 100, and you can see this one's going to be close to 37,000. It's going to be between 37,000 and 37,100, which would be represented right here by this tick mark. And it's a little bit closer to the right. All right. So what thousand will that round to? It's going to round to 37,000. So 37,058 rounds to 37,000. I hope you have fun using these interactive Google Slides.